We are from Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic Titwala, Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology, Semester 3rd, subject Computer Graphics, and now I am going to teach you the remaining topics of, and this is the last topics of the chapter number 5. And in this, after this video here, the I have declared the computer graphics syllabus is over here. In previous video, we taught the Bezier curve and their B-spline curve, and after that, in this video, we will learn about the fractal lines, and then the fractal surfaces are here. So, the fractal lines. The computer can be used to generate a self-similar fractal curve can be done with a self-referencing procedure or a recursive procedure. The recursive procedure should stop somewhere and a computer routine should terminate, which a true fractal does not. In a computer's routine, when a smaller arguments of a smaller length becomes a smaller than size of a pixels, the routine terminates. So the computer procedures can terminate when a length becomes less than a pixels and still provide the computer's best approximation to the fractal. The computer can generate wrinkles and the user need only the endpoints are here. The fractal line is shown in the figure 5.17. The figure number A is here, the fractal lines, and figure number 2nd is shown in the offset, the halfway points are here. And the halfway point for the fractal line, suppose we had the perfectly straight line between the x1, y1, z1 and the x2, y2, z2. These are the coordinates of this figure, and the halfway point would be midpoints are here, and these midpoints are after this taking the midpoint from the line, then uh, some equations are ready for this, and the x in bracket the x1 plus x2 in bracket and divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is there, and z1 plus z2 is divided by 2 is there. These equations are solving the midpoints in a halfway points are there, and but for the fractal lines and add an offset terms to each of the coordinates, and this coordinates is using the x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus dx, and this is the assumable points are here, and so in bracket y1 plus y2 bracket complete and divided by 2 plus dy, and like this plus z dz are there. And after solving the equations in order to get the random effect, the amount of the offset should be chosen at the random. The offset is calculated at dx is equal to L into W into, and the L is the length of the segment and W is the weighting function governing the curve roughness, and then the gauge is the it returns the Gaussian variables with the zero mean. And so the fractal lines algorithm draw a fractal lines from the current position to a specified point, and it takes a endpoints, then the weight factors and recursive depth desired as a arguments, and then length and the algorithm the fractal lines, then xyz w and then fz, then draw a fractal line, and the arguments xyz the points to which the draw the line, and w is the roughness of the curve, and is the depth of the recursion, and f is the seed desired for fractal pattern. Then global df dash pen dash x of dash pen dash y, this is the current positions are taking the taking from this um, figure. Then seed the seed used by the random number generator, and L the approximate line length. and the local begin seed is equal to f seed, L is equal to x dash df dash pen x, and then y dash df dash pen, and then z dash df dash pen z. And here the fractal subdivisions are there, and after that the mm, arguments. The arguments is the x1, y1, z1, the points to the start the line, x2, y2, z2, the points to the stop lines are here. And x1, y1, z1 is starting from the line, and then x2, y2, z, this is the stopping line. So the s offset the scale factor, and these are the depth of the recursion, and x mid, y mid, z mid coordinates to which the break taking the break from the line, and then so begin if n is equal to 0, then recursion stop. So just draw line segment, line x2, y2 and z2. Else if n is equal to 0, then calculate the halfway point x mid, y mid and z mid. Then the in bracket x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus x s into gas, then y1 plus y2 divided by 2 s into gas, the z meant the z1 plus z2 divided by 2 plus s into gas is there. And they draw the two holes, the fractal and the fractal. In the fractal, the subdivided x1, y2, x1, y1, z1, x mid, y mid, z mid, s divided by 2, and n minus 1 is here. And then fractal is the subdivided x mid. These are the equations are using to draw a line from the one point to another point. And these are the fixed steps for using the draw a line. Then the algorithms calculates an absolute Gaussian distribution between dash ones and minus 1 and 1 is here. Then for the summing sample begin Gauss is equal to 0. The Gaussian that means the some blurring and multiple noise are there, and these are the Gaussian is equal to 0. Then for I is equal to 1 to 6, and Gauss is equal to Gauss plus RND plus RND are there, and Gauss is equal to Gauss divided by 6 is the end of the step. And after that the fractal surfaces. After discussions of the fractal lines, we will discuss about the fractal surfaces. To draw a three-dimensional mountain range, fractal surfaces are used. For the triangle, given three vertex points in a space, generate a fractal surface for the area between them. Consider each edge of the triangle image a fractal line along each edge and compute its halfway point same. By connecting these halfway points with line segments, we can subdivide the surface into four smaller triangles, and then we can recursively apply the method. And then we can recursively apply the method to each of the small triangles to subdivide the surfaces. We can continue these divisions until the triangles all too small to matter is there, and these are the fractal in figure shows. The first figure is shown in the only some triangles is there, and after using these triangles we can participate in these triangles, and we can make a fractal surfaces is there, and last third factors is using the multiple triangles to multiple divisions in this one triangles are here. And then after that the C program to draw a Bezier curve is here. This is the simple programs is there using the Bezier curves algorithms, and after using this Bezier curve algorithms, you can you can see the output of the Bezier curve is here. So when they taking this output, you have to give the coordinate value, and to when you enter the coordinates of point 1 2 3, you have to enter the points xy coordinates of point 1 to up to point 4 are there, and these are the coordinate value you have to given the another types of the, that means the 100 points are given for the enter xy and y coordinates, and the For the point 2 150 and 200, point 3 200 and 200, and point 4 is a 250 or 100, and different types of values you have to enter here for taking the curve of this uh, taking the curve in a as a output. So these are the programs of here, and in these programs we have to add the we have to use the algorithms, and after using these algorithms mm, we can uh, we can see the output of like this. And the second program is to draw a coach curve using a recursion is there. So as usual you have to give the header files is the graphics.h, conio.h, math.h, and these are the compulsory used to there. These are the mandatory, and the void coach are here, and you have to give the coordinates variable. You have to declare the coordinates are here, the x1 y1 x2 y2 and integers it is here. And after that you have to give the equations and here, and you have to use the you should be use here the algorithms of the coach curve. And after the executions of these programs you can see the output like this. Thank you.